This guitar is very small and we have a lot of electronics to fit into it, so I was trying to make sure I could, just wanted to do a little mock-up. Commercial time for who else other than me, because I don't really advertise for other people anymore. But did you know over at newperspectivesmusic.com, not only do I sell the guitars that I make on this channel and stuff, I sell a lot of other things too. Like I have some plans and some parts, like I make bridges. You might have seen the video about that. I have another one coming up pretty soon. I make some custom pickups. I even make these custom cables that I'm really proud of, that you can order the length that you want, and I just custom make it for you with the end style that you want and stuff. Pretty cool thing, as well as some patch cables. And I even have, for all you DIYers out there watching this channel, because I know a lot of you are, besides getting the parts and the plans that you might need to build your own guitar, I also sell some tools that I've designed that helped me over the years over at squaretools.com. And there's links to that all over at newperspectivemusic.com. It's all just one big happy family, because that whole family is pretty much just me and the guitars. All right, back to the show.
This may seem to you a little weird, an acoustic guitar balladeer singing songs about love and broken hearts. But I assure you that I never meant, nor was it ever my intent, to play the whiny singer-songwriter part. I know that's what I'm doing, but I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. Ponytails and Taylor guitars and a bunch of deep emotional scars. The world is so full of these musicians nowadays. Give me some mohawks and some power chords and some rage and some angst and some moshing hordes, or at least an old Black Flag album to play. I know that I'm just a crooner, but I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. I still believe in anarchy, just not like it used to be. I know now that we're all way too full of greed. And I still believe that we live in deeds and not in money or in our needs. But I have bills to pay and a family to feed. Call me what you will now, but I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. I still listen quite frequently to The Clash and Bad Religion, Operation Ivy. I used to have a punk rock band, the finest in our suburban land, 4 white kids in our singer's mom's garage. But somewhere it all took a turn, and I found some new chords, and I started to learn some Billy Joel and Chicago and Police and the Cars, Hootie and the Blowfish. But I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. But I bet you don't believe me, but I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. Yeah, I know you don't believe me, but I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. Let's see if I can remember now.
A couple million years ago, I was in this band with this really cool musician named Johnny Rogers. Go look him up. He does amazing stuff with all sorts of instruments. In that band, he played the guitar, and his guitar had a sustainer pickup in it, which I didn't really know much about. But I remember it was like magical to hear what he was doing and all the sounds he was creating with that. And then I hadn't really thought about it much since until my best customer, officially my best customer now, Cole, asked me to build him another guitar, and he wanted to put one of those sustainer pickups in. So now I understand them a little bit more. I had a ton of fun just playing with it a little bit. Obviously, I don't have the the mindset. I'm not really a guitar player, so I don't really know what to do with it yet, but I can't wait to see what Cole does with this setup in this really unique guitar, because I do know how magical it can be in the right hands. The other cool thing about this guitar is that it's sort of like really customizable pretty easily, because initially we talked about maybe hydro dipping it to do this sort of colorful thing, but then Cole found this really cool custom pickguard company, so we put that in, and now like we could actually just cut new pickguards on the laser and totally change the look of this guitar in minutes by just putting a different pickguard on it, which is a really cool thing. So if you know, I mean, you could have like multiple, you could have like your wedding pickguard, your funeral pickguard, whatever, you know. Really cool design. I like the way it came out. 5.7 pounds, 24-inch scale with this really interesting electronic system that I can't wait to hear what Cole does with it. All right, hey, thanks for watching. And what kind of weird guitar have you always dreamed about? Let me know. And you know, you can contact me, maybe I can build it for you too. All right, be good.